Most users do not want to lose time in learning different software. We understand that. This is why we made IDE architecture so intuitive for AutoCAD users. IDE helps you to draw faster, both in 2D and 3D, but it works with very simple commands any AutoCAD user knows. Let's have a look. You can, for example, select this wall and make a copy. Or use the feature Extend for this wall. You may also select all these elements and filter out only the walls to modify one of their properties. To create new 3D objects, you just need to use 2D polylines. For instance, we use here the entity snap and draw a polyline. This entity will serve as the outline of a 3D wall. Now we launch the command 3D wall from a polyline and just need to enter a few parameters for our wall like the height and thickness. Next step is to select the polyline to show which side is the width of the wall. It's just that easy. You just need to master simple 2D commands like polyline and you will be able to create 3D walls, but also stairs, roofs, windows and more. See also how easily we can play with the grips and snaps. The software understands you and smartly adjusts the 3D objects.